releasing parakeets into the wild. Pets should never be released into the wild. It's hard enough for wild animals to survive in the wild, and they were trained from birth by their parents in all these specific skills they would need. Pet animals that are raised on pet food in safe cages with even temperatures never learn any of those skills. If you release your parakeets into the wild, they would either starve to death, which is a long, slow, painful death, or they would be viciously killed by a hawk or other predators. It really doesn't take that long to hand train a parakeet. If that is your only issue, it just takes time and patience. 3 years is still very young in a parakeet's life. It still easily has another 10 years to go. If you really and truly just don't want to own a parakeet, then talk to your local pet shop and animal rescue shelter. I will put this at the end of the video so you can read more about it. Thank you for watching.